Hello, everybody. This is English with Jim. I am Jim, and thanks for having a look. In this lesson, we are going to focus on everyday English conversations with 10 very important phrasal verbs.
How important?
Very important. I use these phrasal verbs every day, and they are essential for natural, casual conversations. So, let's get at it. Catch up. To meet with someone that you haven't seen in a while, or to reach the same level or pace as someone else. I need to catch up with my old friend. We haven't seen each other in a long time. Or he's been practicing every day to catch up with the rest of the team in skill level. Catch up. Hang on. To wait for a short time. Hang on. I'll be right back. Or, could you please hang on for a second? I need to find the keys for the car. Hang on. Hang out. To spend time idly or casually. Let's hang out at the park this evening. Or, we used to hang out at that cafe when we were in college. Hang out. Drop by to make a brief, casual, or spontaneous visit. I'll drop by your place later and return the book that I borrowed. Or, why don't you drop by my place for a cup of tea? Drop by. Run into. To meet someone unexpectedly or by chance. I ran into an old friend at the grocery store yesterday. Or, I hope to run into you at the concert next week. Run into. Turn up. To appear or arrive. She turned up at the meeting later than expected. Or, the party was great until unexpected guests turned up. Turned up, appear, or arrive. Hang around. To spend time at a place without a specific purpose. Let's hang around at the mall before the movie starts. Or, they like to hang around the park every evening. Hang around. Drop off. To take someone or something to a specific destination and leave it there. Please drop off the package at the post office on your way home. Or, she drops off her kids at school before going to work. Drop off. Pop in. To visit briefly or casually. This is similar to drop by. Feel free to pop in for a cup of coffee anytime. Or, he popped in to say hello on his way home. Pop in. Head out. To leave or depart. It's getting late. I should head out. I should leave. Or, they decided to head out after the meeting was finished. Head out. Okay, now let's play a little conversation between myself and my brother Bill so you can hear these phrasal verbs in casual conversation. Hey, Bill, what's up? Not much. I'm just at a coffee shop catching up on some Spanish lessons. Cool. Do you feel like hanging out later? Sure. That sounds good. I'll drop by your place after I finish this lesson. Great. I will head out and grab some drinks. See you soon. Oh, wait. My friend just popped into the coffee shop. Is it okay if he comes too? Sure. No problem at all. Great, great. See you later. All right. That is it. That wraps it up. I hope this lesson helps you learn these very important phrasal verbs for everyday conversations. And if you like the lesson, please like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Take care.